If you are a family-oriented person or you believe that life is all about creating yourself, then you will love the names that we are sharing today. Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we are sharing soft and modern Xhosa names that mean create or build. Without much further ado, let's begin. Our first name for today is ZAKHE. ZAKHE means build us, referring to the family. It's a perfect name for both girls and boys. Our following name is ZAKHELE. ZAKHELE is a very empowering boy name, which means build or create something for yourself. Our following name is short but very meaningful. We have YAKHA. It means build or create. It's also a nickname for longer names such as YAKHUTHANDO, which means build or create love, YAKHUXOLO, which means build or create peace. Next up we have Nakhane. Nakhane is traditionally a boy name, but I believe in the future it will become a unisex name. It means build each other. Akhelethu is our next name. It means build our home. Akhelethu ikhaya. Our next name is very similar to our previous one. We have Lakhe. Lakhe is also an instruction to build. The most common full name is Lakhe ikhaya, which means build the home. Our next name is a bit different from our previous ones. We have SOLAKHA. SOLAKHA is a very beautiful name, which is more of a vow or commitment to build. It could mean we will build the community, the family, or the nation. SOLAKHA ikhaya means we will build the home. SOLAKHA ilizwe means we will build the nation. ZAKHE is our last name for today. It means create yourself. It's a very wise and empowering message or command that will surely guide your child on their journey through life.